Have you ever wished to grow your own bay laurel indoors, enjoying the pleasure of picking fresh leaves right from your living room? Imagine the satisfaction of adding homegrown aromatic bay leaves to your favorite dishes. Not only does the bay laurel plant provide culinary delights, but it also adds a dash of greenery to your indoor space, making it aesthetically pleasing. Today, you will learn how easy it is to grow your own bay laurel indoors. So stick around. The first step in growing bay laurel indoors is preparing the right environment for your plant. This begins with choosing a large container. Why large? Bay laurel roots need room to grow and breathe. Ensure the container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Now let's talk soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix, and consider adding perlite or sand for improved drainage. This combo helps to prevent overwatering and promotes healthy root growth. With the right container and soil, you're off to a great start. Now that your plant has a home, let's focus on how to care for it. Your bay laurel craves sunlight, much like we all do on a warm summer day. It needs a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. So position it in a sunny window or a spot that gets plenty of daylight. If sunlight is a luxury where you live, don't worry. Grow lights can be your savior. They're a fantastic supplement to ensure your plant gets the light it needs. Watering your bay laurel is an art. Wait until the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch and then drench it. This could be every 1 to 2 weeks, but remember, this isn't set in stone. It depends on the temperature and humidity in your home. And let's not forget about fertilizing. This is your plant's food after all. During its growing season, which is spring and summer, treat it to a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, proper light watering and fertilizing will ensure your bay laurel thrives. Bay laurels, like all plants, require some specific conditions to stay healthy and grow well. Pruning is one such condition. Regular trimming not only helps maintain the size and shape of your bay laurel, but also encourages new growth. When pruning, you can harvest leaves for your culinary endeavors and also remove any dead or damaged branches, ensuring your plant stays vibrant and robust. Now let's talk about the room's climate. Bay laurel thrives in temperatures between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Sudden temperature swings can stress the plant, so avoid placing it near drafts or heating and cooling vents. As for humidity, moderate levels are key. Too dry, and the leaves may crisp. Too humid, and the plant can succumb to fungal diseases. By controlling the temperature, humidity, and size of your plant, you'll maintain a healthy bay laurel. And remember, a well-cared-for bay laurel is not just a plant, but a source of fresh, aromatic leaves for your kitchen. As with any indoor plant, you may encounter a few challenges along the way. Bay laurels are occasionally visited by aphids, scale insects, and spider mites. Fear not, natural remedies or insecticidal soap can keep these pests at bay. Propagation is a breeze with bay laurel. Simply take stem cuttings from healthy branches and root them in water or well-draining soil. Consider adding companion plants like thyme, oregano, or rosemary to your container. They'll make your mini herb garden more flavorful. With these tips, you can effectively deal with any challenge that comes your way. Growing bay laurel indoors is a rewarding experience that even novice gardeners can enjoy. Armed with these tips, you're ready to start your indoor bay laurel garden. Happy gardening! Share your thoughts on today's video. Join our community for more interesting indoor plants topic. Thanks for watching.